Hi everyone, and welcome to week one of macroeconomics. Um, it's good to see you guys, and I just want to go through the module and just sort of take you through it so that you know what to expect. So here we are in the content section over here, this link, and you can see that every module has a question associated with it. And module one is going to be really just a focus on basic economics: scarcity, choice, opportunity cost, and a concept called comparative advantage. So if we go in here to our module, you're going to see what's expected of you this week. So in every module, there's going to be something called a soft chalk in the front of every module, and that is where your content is coming from. And you can see that there are 8 pages of reading and videos. You can see there's an introduction to economics overall for those of you guys who have never had an economics course before. Sort of talks about the difference between micro and macro, etc. If you go to, say, page 2, this is where we introduce the concept of scarcity, a little blurb there, and then a video. Excuse me. And then a video. So you can see that that's going to be your content. All right. You know, we have a textbook on reserve, but this is where your content's going to be, so that you don't really need a textbook. And then below that are the assignments and the assessments. So here's a discussion board about scarcity and choice, where you're going to post a response and then respond to a couple of your classmates. I have here, I'm trying to get you guys off on the right foot, so there's already an extra credit assignment. I would do this assignment not just for the extra credit, but this is a great assignment. It's a 20-minute podcast. It's super interesting. Every student that has read it has absolutely loved it. Sorry, not read it, listened to it, has loved it. The only reason I made it extra credit is because there's a little bit extra work in this module, and I didn't want to overload you in the first week. So that one is extra credit, get you ahead. Quick little assignment on comparative advantage, and then some Newton activities, which you guys have been introduced in a different video as to what Newton is. And then what's not posted right here at the bottom will be a 15-question assessment on the first module. Basically, every week is going to have a quiz at the end of the first module. Okay? So pretty straightforward on the first week. Again, the first 2 modules of the course will be really just an introduction to basic economic thinking before we actually dive deep into macro concepts. So, you know, even if you've had micro before with one of the instructors, then this stuff will seem very familiar, but it has to be covered in case there's somebody who hasn't taken economics before. So, I hope you have a great week. Of course, please email or text with questions, and good luck.